comfortably say this much, that we are true children of Thakurji, Ramakrishna, because we are giving value to an incarnation that is Jesus Christ. Where the world is running mad in the world outside, during such an auspicious time like this, when we have Ram Navami, don't you consider Ram Navami to be very auspicious? When we have Krishna Ashtami, don't you consider Krishna Ashtami to be very auspicious? When we have Navaratri, Shivaratri, all these festive periods are considered very auspicious. And what do? Do we run around shopping? Do we run around picnicking? Do we run around in the world outside madly into chasing after things we don't want, we don't know? As Hindus, what do? There is a withdrawal. You attend to religious functions because you have gained so much during these periods. So here too, with the birth of the Lord as Jesus the Christ, we are acknowledging, we are giving forth that love, the true love for an incarnation, for a manifested being, because there is so much of divinity in that. So we are not running mad and madly after what is termed as wild goose chase. No, we are withdrawing our senses as what has been pointed out in the Upanishads. Paran chikani vyatrinam swayambho tasmat paran pashyati nantaratman taschit dhira pratyagatmananechat avritta chakshu amritatvam ichan. We are withdrawing our senses, our mind, avritta chakshu amritatvam ichan, because it is within ourselves. This withdrawal of the mind and its senses. As we get around, we will go and explain with explanation on these issues of what our minds are, what our senses are, how mankind is losing out so much, how much of our energy is dissipated into the unknown unnecessarily. Where I know what I should be looking for, but I'm not giving my what is termed as best shot. So see how we are losing out. So here, sisters and brothers, these are its value system. In this yoga camp, as a resolution, I have brought Ganga Jal from India now, and it's kept in front here. And very, very comfortably, we're going to ask each one to come and take the Ganga Jal to drink. You take the Ganga Jal, you put it in your right palm, think of Master, and you drink this Ganga Jal. And when you take this Ganga Jal, it is not just water anymore, it is Amrit. We are aspiring for this, the nectar of our lives, and there we are taking in nectar, Amrit, because Ganga Jal is Amrit. It is not Jal, it is not water. So each one in taking Sri Ramakrishna's name, it will be Om Em Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Sri Ramakrishnaya Namaha. We will be repeating this mantra continuously until all have come and taken this water and drunk. After that, we come and take the seat again, and then we will commence with the rest of the program. Am I clear to everyone what we are looking forward to? You come forward, with your left hand you take the spoon, you take water, and you take in your right palm. Try as far as as possible, don't let the spoon touch your hand. Take the water in your right palm and don't be confused. You know what that confused? You take one small cut of that water. I think you got an opportunity to drink from a jar. Take. When the opportunity is there and you're not going to get advantage, don't blame me. Then it's not going to be right. So, sisters and brothers, I'm going to commence with you. Mantra, all of us will be reciting the mantra. And it's a continuity with this. Right? From the front, if the children can't do it on their own, parents come with them, come perform, do it, and come and take the seat with them. So we will do. Repeat this mantra and one by one you will come, or a family can come together if you wish to, and take the water and drink and then take the seat. I will continuing this until all have taken the job. Om Em Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya Shri Ram Krishnaya Namaha. 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 Om Em Sarvadevadevi Swarupaya
श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः। ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवीस्वरूपाय 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 श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः।